Hi, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. This one is a 2018 model, which is the 60th anniversary. The boat does come from the factory with the single axle trailer. We'll also have a bimini top with the boot cover. The boat is powered by a Mercury 60 horsepower. Some neat changes they did for 2018. They put the bucket storage at the aft on the port and starboard side. You also have a live well in the aft. Stainless steel helm wheel. Some tackle storage on the side. This one does have a forward cushion with the trolling motor panel already wired, as well as a cooler seat. Again, Patrick Rourke at MarineMax Clearwater. Come take a look at the Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. You could reach me on my cell at 813-909-5064. Talk to you soon.